everybody, it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm glad you stopped by. I'm going to do something else today that I haven't done in quite a while, and I'm going to use my blow dryer, and I'm going to do kind of a blowout. Yeah, a Dutch pour sort of thing, but probably more like a chaos Dutch pour. I haven't had my blow dryer out for something like this in quite a while. As a matter of fact, I have a brand new blow dryer because my other one bit the dust. It must have gotten a little too much paint on it, I think. But anyway, I have already got my canvas prepared. I have a 10 by 20 canvas. It is all taped and with my push pins in the back, all ready to go. And I've got my colors. I'm still trying to use up some of these paints that I've had mixed up here for quite a while. But I've just got my white for the background. It's the Loft acrylic with some satin enamels from DecoArt in it. And I'm going to use that. I'm going to put a coat of that on the background. And then I'm going to put on some of these colors. This here is neon green from Loft. And I've got Arteza Pearl Rose. I like the shimmer in that one. I have Amsterdam Pearl Red. I don't think we can even see the red in there yet. Probably not until it's dry, but that's okay. I've got Amsterdam Pearl Violet. We have DecoArt 24 karat gold. That's going to give it all the shimmer. It's also going to help with cells. I have my custom maroon still. I still have some of that left. It's a pretty color. And this is a custom blue that I made at one point. It's beautiful too. I'm using these stir sticks for the first time here. I got them actually for resin, but they're reusable. They're silicone, so I figured I could use them for paints too. And maybe completely get away from using the disposable wooden ones. Although I do have the disposable ones, they're coated with resin because I'll mix my fresh batch of resin up with them and then wipe them off and let them set with the resin on there so they're washable and I can reuse them over and over again too. But I wanted to try these. Anyway, this is Golden's Nickel Azo Gold. And that's that. So I'm going to put on some music for you. Coat my canvas, put the color here, and I'll pop in and talk again when I've got something to tell you. But I'm hoping you just enjoy the painting, and we'll go from there. here we are, the wet results. It's really colorful. Composition's not bad for the first time in almost a year since doing one of these. But I do love the cells and the colors. I love the edges and the negative space right there up at the top. The colors are amazing. We'll do another one of these. I did use up the last of some of these colors, but otherwise I could do one to match and make a diptych out of them with the same colors. I don't know, I might be able to figure out how to get that done too. Mix up a couple more colors, but maybe I'll just let this one stand alone. I'll have to think about it. You'll see in my next video what I decided to do. But I do love this, actually. The more I look at it and the more it's developing, the more I like it. And I think once that it finishes developing and once it dries and those pearls show up and all the glimmer shows up, we get a coat of resin on here, it's going to be really cool. So there we are. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you would. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I'll be back in a day or two with another chaotic blowout. Just because that was fun. And I want to do it again. Okay, guys, have a great day. And take care of yourselves. Find time for you. Stay warm if you're in the same part of the world as I am. It's pretty cold out there. But on the other hand, being a Buffalo Bills fan, I am pretty darn ecstatic about last night's game. The wild card game when we beat the Patriots up so bad. That's awesome. Only because it's been so long. Patriots have enough rings. It's time for us. Anyway, enough of that. If you're not a football fan, you won't even appreciate it. Take care. Love you all. Like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye.